How to make your TikTok account private. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making your TikTok account private. So by setting your TikTok account to private, you can control who can see your profile and content. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now simply launch your TikTok application. And now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now simply tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. And now go to privacy option. And you will see the option of private account. That is the initial option over here. Toggle the private account switch to enable this feature. Once your account is private, your liked videos, follower list, and the content will be hidden from the users who do not follow you. And that's it. This is exactly how you can make your TikTok account private. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.